my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my City of Styles channel. In today's video, guys, I'm going to jump right in. I hope all of you doing well today. This week, guys, is all about unboxing, and I'm going to change everything throughout my home, mostly everything. And guys, this fireplace, I've been waiting for it for a super long time, and finally doing the unboxing and have everything situated for Christmas. I'm a bit late. No, I'm not late because we're still in November. But usually I decorate early because I have so many things to do at one time. So guys, this is all the things that I'm being ready to do. As you can see, my beautiful fireplace, and I love it, guys. It's so tall. This is the fireplace that I originally have in the living room. I have it for 5 years now, so it's time for change. And guys, this room that I have next to the living room, guys, it's an empty room. I don't know what to do with it, maybe an office. And since it's holiday season, I wanted to change it into a guest bedroom. However, it doesn't have no closet, and I have family members coming over for the holiday season. And guys, this is a perfect timing for me to add this freestanding closet organizer. It has 4 large drawers and massive storage space, and it has double side hooks, 4 on each side, so you can have plenty space to organize your home. I always buy a lot of furnitures for decor to make my home look pretty, but this storage organizer, guys, it's a life-changing for me. I want to transform this room into a home away from home, so make my guests feel so comfortable, make them feel right at home, so not leaving the clothes in the suitcases. And guys, this will need 2 people to put it together, so I don't know if you can do it one person, but my boys, both of them are helping each other to put it together. And the quality material is good for the price you pay, guys. And they have a massive sale going on for this Black Friday. And guys, I encourage you to check the description box down below if something like that interests you. Because if you have a small apartment, you have a basement, you have an empty room like mine, this can be very useful to you. And guys, it comes with a manual instruction that's not going to let you blindfold. You're gonna know how to set up everything flawlessly. It's another great way again to build your own working closet without breaking the bank. Something about me, if it's not free shipping, I don't want it. And this company offer you free shipping, worry-free return, and 18 months warranty. And they have great customer service. And guys, if you want to take your home to the next level, this one can be a good option. This freestanding closet organizer. It's the best way to upgrade your home with efficient storage. If you have small children or pets, no worries, because it came with anti-tip stripes. You can screw on the wall for safety. And guys, it's made of premium boards, sturdy metal frame, and adjustable feet for your need. You can jam pack it with clothes. It's not going to break. I just leave it like that just to show you how you can style it, but it's gonna stay in the room for my guests. It's a must-have. Moving on to the next project, and guys, this is my fireplace. That's the way the living room is right now, and I think I'm gonna keep it for 2 days before I remove everything. I just want to enjoy my work before I take them off. And this living room, I keep it like this for a while now, but usually I change them every week. But since I put this new fireplace, I said, okay, I can keep it for another week just to enjoy it, because guys, I love this fireplace. And I don't know if I'm going to do white Christmas again or add some colors, but definitely I'm thinking about it, what I'm going to do, because I have so many decor, so I don't have to worry about it until the time comes. This mirror, I bought it for my bedroom, but Since I use this black mirror too much in the living room, I wanted to change it a little to see what's the new mirror gonna look like in my living room instead the bedroom. And guys, when I received the mirror, as you can see, the box is like somebody was fighting with it. And I was so upset to see how it took me so much time to remove the box from the mirror, and the shipping company people, they don't really care. They just smash the thing even it's fragile. So those shipping company, I don't know what's going on with them, but thank God the mirror was okay. That all matters. As you can see, the box ripped so deep. You can see the foam that protect the mirror was ripped as well. This is unacceptable. I don't really like to return nothing. That's why I always take my time to buy what I love and want, so I don't have to keep returning, because I don't have a job. If it broken, what I would do? Too much headache. They need to protect people's stuff. I'm going to remove this mirror just to add the new one. And yo, I love this mirror so much, serve me well, but it's time for me for a change. I don't know if I'm going to like the cool one better or the black one better. We will see. I am a huge fan of the black mirror, but I wanted to change something for this holiday season, just to have my home look different, because I like to change. Whenever I'm changing, I just change. And guys, this mirror, I like it too, because it came with a stand that you can put anywhere in your home where your heart desire. Super good. The black one didn't have this option, so I have to always put it against the wall. But this one, you can put it anywhere that you want. It's a good to have. The link will be in the description box down below. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. My name is Mercy. I always spend some time to welcome everyone that new here. In my channel, I do pretty much everything: product review, DIY clean with me. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. This is the way the mirror is. Honestly, I like it. Since I'm not decorating it yet, it's just I added with this old decor. But guys, I encourage you to come back next week to see the full decor and how I'm changing everything, because I'm going to change the rug. I'm going to change the color of the chairs and everything. So everything will be perfectly perfect. So make sure to come back to see how I transform my home for the Christmas season. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's the end of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.